Well, this week came with a huge relief for LGBTQ plus members and their allies. They tell me the Supreme Court decision is a reason to celebrate, but it's a victory they wish wasn't necessary 10 years after same-sex marriage was legalized nationwide. For Johanna Schubert, co-chair of West Hartford Pride, this day came with a sigh of relief.
I found out this morning when it came across my phone, and even though I had been holding my breath waiting for this, I was encouraged that it would go the way it did.
Still, she says while it's a time to celebrate, it's also a time to get back to work to advocate for their rights to get married just like anyone else in the country.
The reality is that the Supreme Court decision that came down today is a distraction from a lot of the issues that affect the LGBTQ community.
She says if marriage rights were taken away, the consequences would be astronomical.
Marriage is about dignity. It's about a certain number of rights that come with that piece of paper and with that law being passed. So we're talking about things like survivor benefits. We're talking about the ability for children to take their parents' names.
That's something Adrienne Billings-Smith knows well. Those rights brought her here to Connecticut when most states didn't recognize same-sex marriage.
I was out of law school. We just had our son, my wife and I, in 2013. A story is that the reason why we're here in Connecticut is we moved from Florida, where it was not legal.
Today, her wife and son enjoy the same rights that all couples do, but she says it's exhausting to always wonder if they're one court decision away from their rights being taken away.
You're dealing with people's lives, their families, their financial constructs. How important and what you would be undoing would be a nightmare.
It's a nightmare she hopes never comes this close to the courts again. The Supreme Court justices gave no comment when they chose to decline the petition. In West Hartford, Solene Air, Fox 61.